family vacation in a verbo means leaving all.
Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. If you want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto, hit the like, subscribe, because you know it's a good day. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. How's everyone doing on this Monday morning? I hope you're having a great day. We have some things to talk about. ICP, yeah, you know me. Let's get it without further ado, because we're gonna have a good day. La-di-da-da. Yeah. The Wall Street Pete Show for you. Hit the like and subscribe. You know what we do. Here it is. Boom shakalaka. What's up? Oh, viral videos in the house. What's up? Haven't seen that man in forever. What's going on? So, internet computer ICP token explainer for beginners. You a beginner? You're not a beginner? Well, shit. Don't be a sinner. Because ICP, yeah, you know me. There's something to talk about this token, and I'm going to let you know that I'm back in. And I bought as much as I could. I'm broke is no joke because ICP, holy cow, it's unscalable, okay? It's got infinite scalability. That's one thing we're going to talk about. Who's behind it? Don't really care. How does it work? That's kind of something we wanted to talk about. What's special about the ICP token, previously known as DFN, the Internet Computer or ICP token, is directly tied to the ICP network nervous system. That's what the NNS is. As its utility token, it is the governance protocol for managing the network. First unveiled in September 2020, it consists of 4 components. Data centers, currently 48 nodes, currently 1,300. Subnets similar to the Polkadot parachains. Wonderful news because I'm down with Polkadot. Canisters, ultra scalable smart contracts. Now, as with the other blockchains, users have to log up their ICP to participate in the governance, of course, to get the voting power. But if we pay more attention of this thing right here, this has deflationary where it runs, and it also runs off inflation. So it has like a up and down momentum where no matter what it's doing, it's kind of safe. As you can see here from the infographic, the internet computer tokenomics relies on both inflationary, as I just said, right? Within a week of ICP's mainnet launch, the internet computer achieved a massive market cap of $71.8 billion, soon to be subside of the 4.8, with computer token itself priced as $37.58. If you pay attention, definitely to mention on this chart here from May, as we all know, everything was up $600 almost. Well, if this bull market is moving to where it's moving, I do expect to see something coming through up to the 300 level. If you are in, you may want to hold it because there's something coming above the 100 level. And if we go down after we break this, you'll see. I had something I wanted to bring up about ICP. One more thing. It was kind of cool, but it seems like, hold on, let's get there. There it is. There it is. How does it work? And here it is. Like Cardano, or soon to be Ethereum, the internet computer is based on the proof of stake, okay? POS consensus, but consists of 4 layers: identity, random, beacon, blockchain, and notary. And what I wanted to explain was its scalability here is infinite. Infinite scalability. Another key difference that it uses canisters instead of smart contracts. Auto execute actions thanks to the 4 layers these canisters provide. What I'm saying here. So hit the like, subscribe if you like some news. If you like some TA and you're interested in what's going on, well, we need to pay attention to the market. Crypto market cap $2 trillion. We're probably coming down a little. Yes, we are. No big deal, right? We talked about the possible layers. We talked about the possible support. We talked about all of those possibilities as far as what? Well, we break it down for you. I know that 42,000, we're not going to put up the Fibonacci and show you again, but we're talking about Bitcoin here because it's going to move with. It's going to move. Now, this is what the current price, right? Let's get to the current price for you because I want to talk about what's happening. You know what, though? This is an ICP video, so I'm going to do ICP first. And then, obviously, as Bitcoin goes through, we have to talk about Bitcoin. I know ICP's up here more than that. Come on. Solana's back to 68, coming down, as you notice. And we go live for you. This is what we do. So we broke down a little bit of ICP, and shame on me for not having it up here, as we should, right? ICP up into the mode. Get some ICP. We might want to wait for this M to come down and finish. Where do you see the M, Pete? Well, this is 15-minute, but even the 15-minute definitely shows a little bit of that. So there it is. And if you come down, I do believe that right here is where we'll go. Come across to here, which is a little messy, and I apologize. But if you pay attention, definitely to mention the $60 to the $58 range. That's what ICP's been doing. Good morning, Jay Marshall. Good morning, Beats. What up, Emerald? What's up? Jackson. I apologize, Jackson. I've been thinking about you. Jackson, you asked me if we were going to 50K, and shit. Kind of felt bad because we didn't touch the 50K yet, but don't worry. I do believe that we're getting an upward trend. And if you pay attention from the hour to the 15-minute, it does seem to correlate, right? We're looking and seeing a downward M. It is happening. Don't shit your pants because the volume is still steadily, as I do believe we'll get what we need. This could be your Tigger bounce coming. That's something I'm looking at. That is something I'm looking to touch. It will be ICP back up to the 65 level. Before you know it, we will definitely be coming back through to here because this is a bull market, ladies and gentlemen. $67. That's nothing, and that's where I sold out at. You won't believe me. I bought $58, and I'm playing the trend over and over. I was with Alex McGee as we were playing some Xbox One, having some fun in the sun. Definitely having fun. It was 58. So I never knew Alex before this channel. It was awesome to meet him. Now we play a video game, fooling around. I had some dead time. Been a long time. 58 we bought and we sold at 67. I told a couple people at 68. Emerald, do you not believe? I told you, right? I bought it, sold at 67 to be safe. I benefited and now I accumulated more. ICP, and that's how it's done, ladies and gentlemen. Pay attention to these waves. And what am I talking about? Well, what does he mean, waves? What are you saying, Pete? Well, if you pay attention here, look, this is no longer a purchase 58. Those days are over, Red Rover, and let Petey get over, no pun intended, right? Look, the upward trend momentum, it's even smaller than this. It's very small. But if you pay attention, there's something after all. It's coming. So those prices may be gone if you start paying attention to the new higher lows. It just started. It could not be a trend that has to continue? Yes, it does. It has to continue, ladies and gentlemen. I have to continue to see that. You understand me? We have to continue to see that. And as you'd notice, this is an upward trend. High volatile waves for a huge breakout. And then what's next? You already know. It's going to be the correction. It's going to be a fall because nothing goes up and up and up forever after all. So I'm trying to help you explain that there's going to be these moves coming soon. And if you don't know it, well, you're going to be the only one surprised. Up here about 70, hey, we could hit there. It could happen. The problem is I don't know what the whales are doing exactly. So if you have not yet followed me on Instagram, I would do so. Instagram, we are very, very active. Instagram, definitely something to talk about. If you don't have it, it's wallst.pete. I believe it's one word there, actually. Wallst. We have Discord, Wall Street. We do have basically the YouTube channel that you're watching now. Most likely, most of you are. If not, Facebook friends and family are watching there. But definitely get your Instagram. I want to go over this real quick. I want to talk about some of this. This is something I talked about today. This is definitely a big deal. I don't like to have to redo it. So if I already did it once here, why not just do it quick and have it prepared? And this is what I did for you. The whales are good at what they do, right? What I said here. 47,463. This is something I need to break through. If you look here on the Bitcoin chart on the hourly, I need to pay attention to this. I need to see a breakthrough. We may test it and fall, but we need to break through it. If we break through this price, I will be putting a long position in. Please, I'm not a registered financial advisor. Very, 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 very experienced traders only, as this guy is awesome. You don't need to be reminded to tell me that. Thank you. A little conceited there, right? We usually don't have that. Yeah, it's just TA. We're a little off, Jackson. I'm sorry. But hey, maybe this is the 50K now. Maybe this is what I was talking about. And if you pay attention, definitely to get into it a little more. I was telling everybody a few things. We fool around, right? Wear condoms, right? That's good. Definitely wear the condom. What did it say? Let's go back. We can laugh. Wrap it in latex or she'll get your paychecks. Oh, damn. That's hilarious. I had to share it. So you see, we get in the bottom M's here. And this is only what the hourly. So if you go to the forwardly, and I was trying to do that for some people, telling you that the correction was coming. We do a lot of funny things here, and we're not going to go through all of it. This was the ICP video. I want you to understand. We're going to go back to Bitcoin now, and I want you to see what's happening because there's an upward trend that we did on the inverted head and shoulders here. And sooner or later, we're going to stop getting it. And I'll be honest with you. The way this is breaking down and not coming down like this, I'm starting to see on the hourly that we're getting sideways action. Now, sideways action is usually a good thing. Sideways action, as you see here, what we received sideways action was a good thing. It got the shakeout, ticker bounce, hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo, and I'm thinking we may get that again. So look at your Bitcoin price, look at the 46 level, and then the ticker bounce. Call me crazy, but that's something I'm looking at. And if I were to tell you, what do I expect, ladies and gentlemen, for the next price is what I do for you if we are in this bullish momentum. I'm just using it as a guide for my length, not for this is the Fibonacci. I should be using a different thing. What does that say? 49. And I've had that price up there before, 49.1. So I believe the next pull up here, the new little breakout, will possibly get you to 49. XRP, damn. Definitely need some XRP. I was just having a conversation with my man TKO. Oh shit, he's gonna yell at me. He was just asking me, when are you going live? I miss your morning lives. A lot of people miss my morning lives. Good morning. I'm telling him right now, I'm sorry I didn't tell him, because he was like, Pete, let me know if you go live this morning. And, this is why you hit the bell notification. So go to your YouTube, go in there and look at the bell notification. And when you see it there, hit that bell and then click on all. So when I do go live, you can immediately come on and get this activity immediately, because this is something important to talk about. Sideways action's happening, and there's a breakout, and it's almost happening no matter what you could possibly think. So please pay attention to these levels. This is important here. This is going to be the J-like substance, what gets us what? We get the upward W. Damn right. Very good. Very good, Henry. I'm just kidding. Nobody said nothing. But look, this is what I'm talking about. And then there it is. And we're going to show you in a second. Let's get it to a color you can see. And there's your upward W. And that's the J-like right there that I'm trying to show you. It'll be like a Tigger bounce that I made up on my channel. It'll get the fall shakeout, just like you did here. What was happening here? This is very bullish, ladies and gentlemen, very bullish. But if you see, the trend line still stays. This upward trend line is still showing. Definitely pay attention to that. As I'm telling you, we can break down, and 42,000 was my breakdown level. As I told everybody, this was a shakeout here on the Fibonacci sequence. I did it on a differently. I think it was the 4-weekly. And there were some levels to pay attention. This is one of them. Could break down to the 40,000. It would still be very bullish at the 38% Fibonacci level. Good morning. Love seeing you live too, Rainey, believe it or not. I'm looking for this upward W. I want to get rid of all this stuff, and I want you to understand that ICP is something to pay attention to. Dollar cost average into it. You don't have to put all your money in right away at 61.90 and then watch it fall to 58 and be like, what the fuck is he talking about? Well, pay attention. It's been there, but I think that we're done like swimwear. I don't think we'll see 58 again. I mean, we will in history, yes. History will repeat itself. But my point being is, on this little run up here, this trend is your friend. What price is that? 46. So let's do ICP again. I just want to leave you with some good positive news as we broke down what it was. Remove the drawing, go to an hourly. Let's go to the 15-minute. Let's go to a couple things. There it is. This is what I see. At the end of the day, what I see here, and it's a 15-minute chart, I see an M. I do. But the M won't last long, and it's the ugliest, silliest little M. Come on, Pete. There we go. All the way to the top. So that's what I like to do. I feel like Bob Ross, little birds here. But there I expect to stop. And if you see whatever there is, that's where I'm trying to explain to you. That is where I don't see us falling anymore. And it's right here. So what is that? $60. So 60.5. So if we are in this bull cycle, which everyone is claiming we are, right? ICP will get you to a new lower low of 61.78, maybe 60.5. I do see that. So if you're looking to get into ICP, you can wait a little longer, or you can get in now. Look at that, 60.5 on the money, honey. And I really do see it here at a different price, obviously. Oh, I seen 61.70 because that's where we're trading. Excuse me. So 60.5 is where the bottom here is, possibly. Don't wait. I wouldn't wait. I want to see if we're creating a new higher low, as I did explain to you, and this is the 15-minute, very, very short time. But new higher lows is being created, and that's what I'm trying to show you here. It's very bullish. The trend is your friend. Now, can we break down? Because this is an M. Absolutely pay attention to the downward M. If we hit here and you do see green parabolic spike, and that's what Bitcoin's doing, then you'll understand that it's going to move with the rest of the market, and we are in a good buy. Now, if we break down and we fall below the $58, well, now we already know Falling below the 58 is very bearish, and that we may be getting this correction. You have the choice now to either hold, and we'll wait and hodl, which is not a terrible thing, but I wouldn't want to. I'd like to know the signs before they're going to happen. Get out, mitigate your loss, and do what you got to do. But I'm trying to explain to you that I see this pull down here, come through, up, and we're pretty safe there. Anything can happen. It's a high volatile market. The whales are what basically run and dictate this market. So we are at 1.99. So there you go. It's probably a little bit of a shakeout. We were at 2.02 trillion. Doesn't mean everything. The global market is helpful to know. I've been paying attention to it since we were at 1.37, very highly on the bottom area. That's when we were trading 29,000 in Bitcoin. So you just got to pay attention to that. Some altcoins are going to be beautiful. I don't want to make this video too long, as I just wanted to show you. We'll go into the daily, and then we're going to end this video on ICP. Yeah, you know me. Because there's some money to be made, and if you could just wait on a daily instead of an hourly and pay attention, definitely to mention. Downward trend on the daily, and this is what, August 11th, so we're not going too far away. We were up at the 76.6 price. Not bad. To me, this cycle, this little area here is a bullish flag. If you need to Google it and do your own research and look, you can do that. Otherwise, you could believe in Wall Street Pete. Worked on the NYMEX floor. If you don't know me, you're new to the channel. We worked in the open outcry pit. Very, very, very experienced. Paid attention, definitely to mention. Bright young man, worked my ass off to where I could be. We struggled, we fell, we slipped. Now we're back up again, and we're still struggling. But hey, guess what? If you don't struggle, you're not going to know what victory feels or tastes like. So this is a bullish flag on the daily. If you pay attention to mention, we're getting our balls kicked in. But excuse me, what is this? Right? For some people who don't know, you have to understand where we came from. This is Coinbase. When it came on Coinbase on May 12th, May 11th, it was a bad time. It was probably one of the worst times it could have came out because people FOMO. And could you imagine? Ouch! So now imagine you're pissed off at me because you bought it at $63, $62. I told you we fell to 58 and you're mad. Could you imagine fucking being here? Could you imagine? Or let's just be more realistic and say, okay, a lot of people said, it's done falling. It's done falling right here, right? Imagine being that guy. Yeah, it's done falling. I'm going to put $2 million. I'm going to put $100,000 in here. What the fuck price? Oh, shit. You would have lost your mind. You probably would have jumped off a building. Don't do that. It'll come back. It just sucks because you just killed yourself. Now, this is why I'm trying to explain to you and save you. Buy some ICP. If you have some extra liquid like I do, buy some ICP. You want to talk about an altcoin that may change your life in 2021 or in the end or coming into 2022? If you can hold this for 4 months, guess what? You may see prices all the way through to here again, but it depends on the whales. I can't predict 4 or 5 months out until I see what's happening with these charts. So pay attention, definitely to mention what's happening. That's a daily. We do some things where we go to this, and I want to maybe do this before we leave, a little fun one. The EMA, exponential moving average, the Bollinger Bands. If you see here, we were definitely below that, and damn, we were getting cracked. If you notice on the EMA, we are starting to continue to erupt, and they're spreading, showing some price action. We're getting some Bollinger Band separation, showing to me that we're going to go up on hopefully a nice bull run. If you look back at Bitcoin, as I did before in one of my videos, not many people understood it or saw it, but this is amazing. This is amazing. Real quick, I'm going to leave you with this, and we're out of here like Vladimir. Pay attention, definitely to mention, when was the last time, ladies and gentlemen, when was the last time, ladies and gentlemen, that we started going on the daily above the exponential moving average? Well, that was in January, the beginning of the year. Well, if you look at Bitcoin, ladies and gentlemen, on the daily, we're doing it again. Where did that take us? I hate to tell you, or I'd love to tell you. This is not correct, but I want you just to imagine. I want you to just imagine, right? Right there, okay. What is that price? Before we see another correction, maybe? Okay, 78, 80,000. That's something I was predicting. So I'm going to now change the title to on the daily. We are 78,000 away, coming through into the before the new year. I do believe we'll reach 100K. I strongly believe that. So, Wall Street Pete, SICKDOE in crypto. You like this channel? I hope you do. Please hit the like, please hit the share, and please, most of all, hit the bell notification so when we do go live, you can see that this channel has history. We can back it up, and I want you to see that we're real as steel. Gonna have a good day. Wall Street Pete, Sickdo, and Crypto. And yes, I thought you'd know Greg Streets. Love this instrumental. Have a good day. It's Monday. I'll be over here sipping on my coffee. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Love y'all. Peace in and peace out, man. Make sure you trade with no emotion. Have a good day. And that's one of them right there. If we break through the 47,000, we break through that 47,463, and I know that's the number that's up there. You better put in the long position. It's up to you. I'm no registered financial advisor, but that's up to you. Hit the like, subscribe. We're going on a ride. We're going to the moon. Yeah. Woo! Ain't no one got a time today. So hit that like, subscribe, baby. Yeah. Hit the like, subscribe, we're going on a ride. You get your surfboard and ride the tide. If you don't mind, we're going to the moon and we're going soon. I said my name ain't Tim, but I got to win. I got my toes in the sand, don't give a shit where I land. I could go to Japan, I'm making money if I can. It's the Wall Street Pete Show. I thought you'd know. Get giggity, get ready to go. It's like quack, 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 quagmire to yo. And if you don't know, then watch the show. Wall Street Pete, Sickdo, Crypto. I thought you'd know. Peace in, peace out.